Cowboys Strut. Boots hit steady, dust kicks low, hat tipped down, let the rhythm flow. Shoulders roll with a laid-back groove. Every step got something to prove. Cowboy strut, stepping wide, lean it back, take that ride. Right foot left, hold it tough, turn it round, show that strut. Cowboy strut, don't break style, slow it down on that mile. Step drag, hit it strong, we keep that strut all night long. Slide smooth, take your time, eyes up high, walk the line. Drop it out, just boots on ground, then bring that full band back around. Cowboy strut, step it wide, lean it back, take that ride. One more turn, lock it in, let that strut begin again. Cowboy strut, hey, step it wide, hey, lean it back, take that ride. Right foot left, hold it tough, turn it round, show that strut.